Alright, today we are working on a Kindle Fire original D01400 model number Kindle Fire charging port. I've already removed the original, cleaned out the two, basically the holes on the left and the right where it actually locks into the board, which is, I'll show you, which is going to be right here in that area, and then on the other side. So basically I'm just going to show you how to solder down these 5 back pins. First, we're going to use some flux. We use Chip Quick lead-free soldering flux. The product number on that is SMD291. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that now. You just want to make sure it covers that whole area. That way when you're soldering, the solder will actually attach to those pins and thus to the board much easier. I'll go ahead and turn my soldering station on. I'm using a Hacko FM202 model. I am using the tweezers. The tweezers are FM2023. Alright, that beeps, just let me know that my tips are ready to put some solder on there. They're hot enough. So I'm going to go ahead and put some solder on there. Alright. Here. A little bit more solder on these tips. You can see there's one done. And the second one's done. Third one. Fourth one. And the fifth one is complete. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol and a toothbrush. We're going to go ahead and clean that off, and you'll see how the connections look. That's just the toothbrush right now. You always want to make sure you clean off the back pins where you put the flux down, because it can corrode over time. Alright, so you can see that we have cleaned all the pins, and you can see that we got a real solid connection on each of those 5 pins, and that's basically what you want it to look like. If you have any questions about soldering this down, just put your question in the comments below, and I'll answer it to the best of my knowledge. You have a great day.